Hi guys, this is Srinivas Rajnikant. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to download your Blogger images. Okay, so you have uploaded many images in Blogger. Okay, there are more than 100, 200, 300. So you want to download those images with a single click. Then how to download? Yeah, let's jump into the video. Open your browser and go to Blogger. Okay, so this is my blog. The blog name is Tragedy Movies. Okay, and you will check the blog once. See, this is the blog, tragedymovies.blogspot.com, and we have so many images here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are so many images. Okay, so you want to download all these images with a single click. Then how? Okay, basic downloading for any images, just you will select the image, right click, save images. Okay, you will save, right? But it's take so much of time because it's not, there is no because there are so many images. Okay, not single image, there are so many images, and I want to download all these images easily, fastly with a single click. Okay, then how? Okay, so before that I will show you one more thing. Blogger.com Media Manager. Okay, Blogger.com Media Manager. So what all images that you have used in your Blogger, all those images will display here. See, all these images I used in my blog. See, this is the album name, horror movies, music director. Okay, let's see, there are so many music directors here. Okay, there are so many images. Okay, I want to select. See, there are 1 of 22. I will select all images and I want to download all these images, but you see here there is no download option here in Blogger. Okay, then how to download all these images? Okay guys, so you need to install one extension. Okay, so the extension name is Image Downloader. Okay, you need to install this. Okay, you need to add to your Chrome. Okay, successfully it is added, right? You need to pin here. Okay, then I am closing now. Now I want to download all these images. Okay, then what I do, I will click on this image downloader extension. Just I will click on this, automatically all images will show here. What images I used in this Blogger, all images will display here. Then if you want to download any specific image from this, just click on here. Okay, it will download. See guys, it's downloaded, right? Now I want to download all these images. Then how? Again I will click on here icon. See, there are totally 87 images found. Okay, I am clicking on select all. Okay, select all, and you see there is a setting option here. Okay, so you can specify download location also. Okay, I am clicking on this, and the folder name is image. Okay, use this folder, save. Now I am clicking on download 87 images. Download. Now all images will be downloaded. See, downloading image 5 of 87, 6 of 7 of. Okay, with a single click. Okay, see guys, all images are downloading. So this is the way we need to download images from Blogger. Okay, not only Blogger, if you want to download images from website also, use the same format. I mean same thing, we need to do the process. Okay, I will show how to download images from website after this completion. Okay, so download complete, close. Now let's check whether the images are downloaded or not. Okay, so I'm going to the downloads. See, this is the folder name, right? I'm opening it. See, all images are here. Okay, but the only disadvantage is you will get sometimes double images. Okay, see here, double images. You need to you need to delete those images, double images. Okay, see guys, all images are downloaded. Right, now I will show you. I'm opening one website, pixabay.com. Otherwise 123 movies, any website I'm opening this 123 movies. There is no images, right? I will go to other. I will open Pixabay only. So Pixabay, this is a website you can download free images and free videos. Okay, there are so many images here. Now I want to download all these images. Then how? Use same process. Okay, just click on this icon. See, analyzing 85 of 85 images. See, all images are we got, right? So if you want to select all, you can click this, and you want to deselect. Okay, and you don't want this first image, you don't want this second image, you want remaining images, then click on download 82 images. It will download. Okay, now I am clicking on download. Okay, see, all images are right. I hope you like this video. This is the way we need to download images from any website or from Blogger. Okay, now we will go to the download location, whether the images are downloaded or not. We will check. See guys, this is the folder. See, all images are downloaded, right? So all Pixabay images are downloaded, and I told earlier we will get some duplicate images. Okay, double images we will get, so you need to delete those duplicate images, and this is the only the disadvantage. But you can download any images easily. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.